In the Carpathian foothills, a dawn trek leads to a hidden waterfall veiled by mist and pine. A lone hiker follows a narrow path where wildflowers kiss the rocks and the air tastes of rain and resin. At the base, a secret pool reflects a sky turning lavender as shepherds share stories of the valley and legends of vanished trails. The fall roars softly, a chorus for those who choose quiet routes away from crowded landmarks. This rare moment etches itself, guiding curious explorers toward the road less traveled.